What's up everybody, welcome to a new episode, and to all newcomers, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis and I'm doing tech reviews every Wednesday. So last week I started with new episodes named Happy Friday. Yeah, obviously it's on Fridays. If you watched my first Happy Friday episode, you had the opportunity to see how beautiful is Ljubljana from the sky. Ljubljana is the capital city of a small country named Slovenia. Just in case, if you didn't watch that video, please go and check it. I will put the link in the cards and also in the description below. In that video I promise that I will do the review of these beautiful headphones, so let's jump into the review. So headphones are still in the box, but first let's see the specifications. So the headphones are designed for mobile phones as they have microphone on them. We can have 24 hours of playback on full charge. That's a lot. 15 minutes of charge for 2 hours and a half of playback. Wow. They should have sharp bass, and we have voice control to start them up, I guess. The most important of every headphones is how they sound. So let's see first what's in the box, and then we're gonna test them. Okay, so we have user manual that most of the time nobody reads them, USB cable for charging headphones, and now this beauty. Wow. Okay, time to test them. I don't know if you can hear that, but listen. So the quality of the headphones from perspective as DJ are okay. Maybe there is not that much bass as I hoped, because on the box it's written sharp bass. Yes, sharp bass, but I don't know, maybe Panasonic had in mind to show us how clear can bass be. But on the other side, as music and video producer, oh, now here we can talk about it. I can easily tell you that these headphones will be my new on-ear monitors. In music and video production, flat sound is most wanted, and these headphones offers exactly that. From design perspective, as you can see, they are retro-style high-quality design headphones. All of the controls are on the right side, and pairing them with other devices is just too easy. All you have to do is to hold power button to turn them on, keep holding it and the light will start blinking, and you are ready to pair them with any device. Okay, this was my short review about these headphones. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to write in the comment section below. Oh, and don't forget to like video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and everything that comes along. Until the next time, stay in love. Peace.